It's story time. What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Now, today's video is a bit of a weird one because of what is going on with this car. So I think I've been working on this car now, or I've had ownership of this car for about close to 2 months at this point, and I really haven't done much to it because I have been waiting and waiting and waiting on parts. At first I was waiting on fenders and bumpers, and it kind of sucked because I had to wait for those. We got everything, and one of the first problems we had was the rear bumper was broken. It came, it's cracked, it doesn't fit right because of the crack, it's just not right. So right now, as we speak, we are waiting on another rear bumper, which took me about 3 weeks to contact cars.com about, because they just kept sending me emails and sending me to different people, and they would send me somewhere else, and they would send me another person, and they would send me another person, until they said, okay, well, we're gonna send it to you, what do you need? And I said, I need a rear bumper. And the emails wouldn't go through, so I'd email back and start over again until they finally agreed to send me one. The cars.com bumpers don't fit the best regardless. The front bumper is full of gaps, and I'm not very happy with it. The rear bumper was broken, they're sending me a new one. Hopefully that one looks better. But at this point, the car is still bricked because of this. I've been working on this for a month. The first mod, which I've been making this video now for over a month, was a short throw shifter. And it was supposed to be a very easy, straightforward thing until I found out how rusted out the welds were, and how rusted out the actual shifter was, and how bad of a situation it was looking. Yeah, it could have been salvageable, but I'd have to drill everything out because the nuts are completely rusted on there, and it looks like they got welded on there. And that's not a good situation. Now go back like 3 weeks when I actually started ordering all the parts. So I got all new linkage, all the hardware for it, new plates, new bushings, everything to make it fit and be safe and how it's supposed to be. I got the parts yesterday and they didn't give me all of the parts. I am still waiting on one part. They told me everything was in. The guy completely forgot to order something for me, which screws me over because now I'm waiting more on this car. And I wanted to record this video because I haven't had content in a week and a half at this point, and I just needed to say something because I'm getting frustrated with how bad I was treated by Honda and with them forgetting to order my parts and stuff. All in all, everything's here except for that one plate, and it should be here in the next day or two. So hopefully we can get a jump start on the Civic again. And not to be such a downer, it's just a really frustrating time. My BRZ front grille came out again, so I gotta figure out another solution for that. I gotta wait parts on this. So right now I'm just at a standstill with everything car related because I'm just waiting and waiting on parts. And that is the worst thing about being a car person, is the complete waiting games you have to do with everything you do, because cars like this is 22 years old, so they don't just make parts. You have to wait until they're available, so you order them and maybe they get made, I don't know. But it takes time and it sucks because of that. I'm working on getting the Civic up and going. I'm saving up, I'm trying to get other parts. I finally got tags for the car, and I'm gonna do a whole announcement video on that because we still have to get the car inspected. The car is almost ready to drive, but I don't have a shifter in there, and I can't really drive it, and I don't want to mod it more if it's bricked right now because it's not doing anything, and I want it to be doing something, and it sucks that it isn't doing much. I'm trying to stay motivated during all this. It's just very tough because it's stressful, just all the waiting. And I know this video is a short video, but I really just wanted to make an update of why I haven't been producing content, why I haven't been taking pictures. Cars are breaking, cars parts aren't coming. It's just a frustrating time right now, but I'm trying to stay motivated and try to get through all of this. And you know, we'll get through it because we got the last part on the way now. It should be here, I said, in the next 2 days. So we will get the Civic done. Well, not done. It's not even started really. I just got bumpers. But we will get it started to drive so we can start modding everything else. I'm sorry if this is such a Debbie Downer video. I'm sorry if this video is only 20 seconds long, but I wanted to get an update video out there for you guys. So if you guys are watching, please comment, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, stay motivated, keep doing you. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out. Peace.